Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. This is teacher Ms. Rida Asif from SM Public Academy Campus 5. I would like to welcome you all for your fourth algebra session. We were discussing chapter number 3, algebra, and in this chapter, we were discussing addition of monomials and addition of compound expressions, right? Okay. So let's start with some question, and also I'm going to ask few questions during the lecture. Okay. So the question number 1 is add horizontally. Okay. Add horizontally. Add means we have to just remove the commas. Iman Sheikh, what we have to do, beti? We have to remove the commas and we have to put which sign? We have to put the plus sign. Okay? We have to put the plus sign wherever the commas are there. Okay? Now, step number 1 is just put the equal to and remove the commas and put the sign of plus over there. So here we just put the sign of plus, right? Sign of plus over there, we can see by removal of these commas, we get the plus sign. So here we get A plus B minus C plus A minus B plus C, right? Then plus sign is there. When we remove the comma, we get the plus sign. We get the plus sign here and we get the plus sign here. Now what we have to do? So Hema, we have to arrange the variables, okay? Same variables together. Why? Because we can add only same variables. We can add only like variables together, right? So we have arranged all A's together, all B's together, and all C's together. Okay? So we get, once again, here we get A plus A plus A, all three A's together. Then plus B minus B and minus B together in the same way. Minus C plus C and minus C all together, right? Now, how can we solve this? How can we solve this, students? Here, all A's are adding. What about B? Here, plus B and minus B will be cancelled, right? Minus C plus C will be cancelled. What is left? A plus A plus A. What will be the answer of A plus A plus A? Obviously, Ushna, every day we have to do the written homework, please. Okay? 3A, very good. Very good. Everybody, you are giving me the correct answer. A plus A is 3A. What about B? Only one B is left. So we get minus B minus C. Minus B minus C, right? So here we get the answer, that 3A minus B minus C. Very good. This, I hope this question is properly clear to you. Clear, everybody? Okay. Now, yesterday I was discussing you about these three tables, okay, in which monomials are there. Yesterday I have taken another example. I have taken two monomials, 4x and 3x. Okay. Today I am going to explain with same variables. Okay. Agar aapke paas same monomials hai, I am having 2x plus 2x. Okay. The monomial is same, only the signs are different. Okay. Monomials are same, only the sign is different. All right. So here plus 2x plus 2x. Whenever we are adding these monomials together, having same sign, what will happen? Between plus 2 plus 2, right? When we remove the comma, we get the sign of plus. Yesterday, Miriam, you were asking me, ke plus ho raha hai to minus kaise karenge? This is the reason I'm going to give it to you. Okay, when we remove the comma, we get the plus sign. Okay, we get the plus sign over here, right? We get the plus sign over here, and the second monomial is also containing the plus sign. So we get plus plus plus, right? So we get 2x plus 2x gives the answer. What will be the answer? It gives the answer 4x. It gives the answer 4x, right? Clear? We get the answer 4x. Now what about plus 2 and minus 2? When the second monomial containing the negative sign. Iman Adan, when the second monomial containing the negative sign, then what will happen? What will happen? We have to remove the comma. Step number 1 is we have to remove the comma and we have to put the sign of plus. Okay? We have to put the sign of plus over here. So plus. ठीक? The second monomial देखिए यहाँ पे minus sign है. तो उमर फारूक minus plus क्या हो जाएगा बेटे? Minus plus क्या हो जाएगा? When we multiply different signs, we get minus plus minus. So 2x minus 2x will be cancelled. It gives you 0. It gives you 0. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, तो we get plus minus minus plus 2x minus 2x will be cancelled. Any problem? In the same way, when first monomial is negative and the second is positive, so first is minus 2x and then plus sign when we remove the comma, and the second monomial is plus 2x, right? So plus plus, when we multiply these two signs, plus and plus, we get plus sign, right? Plus 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 होता है ना? उमर फारूक, समीन, yes, plus 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 ही होता है, ठीक? तो plus 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 plus, तो minus 2x we get minus 2x, plus 2x it will be cancelled, we get 0. Again we get 0. Now what about when both are having minus sign? When both are having minus sign, इसको solve करके देखते हैं, ठीक है? The first monomial containing the negative sign, then we have to put the plus sign because it's addition, and then the second monomial is with the negative sign, right? So plus minus minus, plus minus minus. One second, मैं आपको और clear कर दूं, ठीक है? One second. Here first term is negative and the second term is also negative, right? And plus sign कहाँ से आया है? By removal of the comma, ठीक है? So plus minus minus, so we get minus 2x minus 2x, right? So minus 2x कभी भी cancel नहीं होते. Please note down these important points. Minus 2x gives you the answer minus 4x. It gives you the answer minus 4x. Not 4x, it gives you the answer minus 4x, right? It gives you the answer minus 4x. Plus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 minus 4. Repeat these words with me. Plus 2 Hania Rahim, plus 4. Minus 2 minus 4. Right? अच्छा, if both the terms, ये हमने कल डिस्कस कर लिया, साइंस मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिस्कस कर लिया बेटे, प्लीज इस चार्ट को अपने पास नोट डाउन करें और उसको प्रॉपरली फॉलो करें, ठीक है? चलिए, लेट्स कंटिन्यू. Now here we can see some questions are there. I want you to raise your hand and share the answers with me one by one. Here we can see the vertical addition as well as the horizontal addition. I want here Rania Jahan to unmute yourself and give me the answer 5x plus 2x.
Miss 7x.
Very good. We get the answer, correct answer by Rania. First answer is 7x because both are positive. Now the next question is for Meeram. Yes, Meeram. Meeram, unmute yourself. Between minus 3x and minus 3x.
Miss, आपने by mistake मुझको unmute किया.
अच्छा, so sorry. It's Meeram turn. Meeram, yes, Meeram. Meeram, first answer is 7x. ठीक है? अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 minus 4. What about minus 3 and minus 3, Meeram? Quickly, bete, please. Yes. Bete, minus 3 minus 3.
0.
No. अभी मैंने कहा था minus 2 0 नहीं होता. minus 2 क्या होता है?
-2.
-2 क्या होता है?
-4
हाँ, तो -3 विल बी
-6xy.
एग्जैक्टली. एक्सलेंट मीरम. प्लीज देखिए, जो मैं आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन देती हूँ उसको प्रॉपरली उसको नोट डाउन किया करें और उसको समझा करें, ठीक है? Thank you so much. So here we get -3xy. -3xy is -6xy. Right? Now the next turn is of Zen. Zen, unmute yourself. Zen. Yes, Zen.
Yes, miss.
Zen, 7x minus 2x.
Miss,
7x.
miss 5x.
Excellent. Excellent, bete.
Miss
7x.
plus 5x.
Very good. Plus 5x. Perfect. And the next question, I'm going to dedicate this question to Sameen Rafi. Sameen Rafi, here we can see plus 3mn minus 2mn. Sameen?
Yes, miss.
Yes, बेटे. देखिए, plus 3mn minus 2mn. Yesterday I told you कि bigger number वाला साइन आता है, ठीक है ना? तो बताइए साइन प्लस आएगा या माइनस?
Plus
प्लस, एग्जैक्टली. ठीक है, अब मुझे सॉल्व करके
Plus M.
बता दीजिए. हाँ,
plus 1m.
very good. Plus 1mn. And there's no need to write 1 because we know that if coefficient is 1, तो हम directly mn. Perfect students, perfect. I must tell you that you are the brilliant students. I must tell you. I really appreciate that कि बहुत जल्दी आप लोग लेक्चर को अंडरस्टैंड करते हो. वेरी गुड. ठीक है, सो हियर ऑल द आंसर्स गिवन बाय माय स्टूडेंट दे ऑल आर करेक्ट. सो बेटे यहाँ पे साइन मल्टीप्लिकेशन प्लीज मेमोराइज करें, ठीक है? और इन्हीं क्वेश्चंस को आई हैव जस्ट पुट इन द हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड. हियर आई हैव शोन यू दैट हाउ टू डू इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड. ठीक है, we get the same answer, but this is called the vertical method and this is called the horizontal method, right? So thank you so much for giving me the response. I just want to check it out कि आपको ये चीजें clear हैं कि नहीं. That's very great. Now the next question is simplification. ठीक है, how can we simplify? The question is there, it seems difficult but it's very easy. ठीक है, just what we have to do, step number 1, arrange the same variables together. Okay, we have to arrange the same variable having same powers. ठीक है, power must be same also. ठीक है, m square must be added to m square, not with m, right? So here we are having m square and here one more m square, right? Okay, students, can you hear me? So here between -7m square minus m square, these are same variables, so write it down first. ठीक है, now what about -4mn? Is there any more mn? Yes. ठीक, so here we get -4mn plus 4mn, right? The next variable is minus p square. Is there any more p square? Yes. Here we can see plus 5p square. So write it down together. ठीक है, step number 1, arrange the same variables together. Now we have to do the addition and subtraction. Here we can see between -7 minus 1 is -8. ठीक है, मीरम ने क्या आंसर दिया था कि -3 minus 3 -6. So -7 minus 1 minus 8m square. What about -4 and +1? When the negative number is bigger, answer will be negative. किसने बताया था? समीन रफी. ठीक है ना, तो 4 minus 1 gives the answer 3mn. ठीक है, first just put the sign over there Just put the sign, just check which number is bigger, negative or positive. Put the sign over there and 3mn. How we get 3? How we get 3? 4 minus 1 by subtracting 1 from 4. Okay? Because here we can see the negative sign with 4. We have to subtract. We have to subtract it. Okay? So here we get minus 3mn. Now what about 5p square minus p square? Okay? 5p square. Look at this last term carefully, bete. Plus 5p square minus p square. Acha. Now which term is bigger? Positive or negative? Yes. Plus term is bigger. Positive term is bigger. So put the plus sign. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4p square. 5 minus 1 is 4p square. Clear, students? Is it clear? 5 minus 1 is 4p square. Next question. Here again, we have to arrange the same variables together. Now quickly arrange it with me. Okay? Help me to arrange the variables. Here 3x square y. Is there any more 3x square y? Yes. X square y. X square y. And that's it. Okay? So first we have to arrange these three terms together. 3x square y, 7x square y, 5x square y. Then second term is 6xy square. Okay? 6xy square minus 2xy square and x square xy square. Then 1, 2, 3. You have arranged these same variables together. Right? Now, is there any term left? Yes. The last term which is left is 5xy square z. But whenever you are having so many terms in the question, what you can do, you can take your pencil and you can put small ticks like this. जैसे मैं टिक करेंगे ताकि कोई term आपकी left over ना रह जाए. ठीक है? Just write down all the term and one more thing. You can count the terms as well. That how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So just count the terms you have copied. ठीक है? अच्छा, one more thing. बेटे x square y. X square y is different from xy square. Only xy can be added with xy. Okay? If x square is there, we can add with x square only. Okay? Variable and powers must be same. Variables and powers must be same. For addition and subtraction, variables and powers must be same. Right? Now, first of all, we have to add these three. We have to solve these three terms together. Because 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 5 give you the answer 5x square y. Right? But what about the second term? What about the second three terms over there? 6 plus 1, 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. We get 5xy square. And this last term will be copied as it is. Why? Because it's having different variable with different powers. Okay, na? So now we get the answer here. We cannot solve it further because all the variables are unlike right now. Okay, so we get the answer like this. Fair students, step number 1, arrange the variables, same variable together and solve them. I think everything is clear now. Can we start? Can we start the classwork? Say something, reply me through the chat box. Any questions, my dear? Can we proceed? So Hema, everything is clear on Zen? Yes, very good. Thank you so much. So Hafsa, we are going to start the work. Let's start the classwork. And Ushna, on daily basis, first I will give you the explanation and then I will show you the index and then we have to start the classwork. Okay? Algebra copy. In algebra copy, write down exercise 3.3, question 10, 13 and 14. 10, 13 and 14. 10, 13 and 14. Yes. Now everybody, I want to see your work just like Miriam showing it to me. Now I want to see your copy on the screen. Okay? Kindly show me your copy on the screen and start your work right now. Very good. Iman Sheikh, very good, Bete. Bete, this is your books page, exercise 3.3, and here we have to do Zainul Abidin, Bete, open your copy, open your book and copy and open page number 44. Okay? Page number 44 of your book and start solving the question. But before starting the question, write down the date, write down exercise 3.3 at the top. Write down exercise 3.3 question 10. What you have to do, question 10, 13 and 14. Question 10, 13 and 14. Question 10, 13 and 14. Question number 10, 13 and 14. And the question is add together. Done, everybody? Start your work with question 10, 13, 10, 13 and 14. I'm giving you 2 minutes for completing the first question. Acha, Hadika, you're raising your hand. Any question, Hadika? No? Acha, Miriam, you are also raising your hand. Students, if you are having any problem, then raise your hand. Acha, you are having any problem. 1 second. Miriam. Yes, Miriam. Yes, Miriam. Yes, Miriam, bete. Yes.
फास्ट जो हमने कल काम किया था उसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर टैली करना है.
ओके ओके, ठीक है, वो अभी टैली कर. ठीक है, चलिए स्टार्ट योर वर्क राइट नाउ. ठीक है, quickly start your work. Today is Wednesday and today you are going to have the homework. Okay, and what's the homework for today? Let me show you. Okay, your today's homework. Here you can see your assignment number 3 right over there. Your assignment is, kindly mark it right now, question number 3 and question number 6. This is your homework question. Okay, so this is your homework question, question number 3 and question number 6. Everybody mark these questions. By tomorrow, I'm going to check your work in your copies. Okay, and now I am going to check your today's work, what you are doing in your copy. Kindly turn on your cameras, everyone. Okay, be bold and turn on your cameras. Keep your cameras turned on. Okay. And if you're having any problem, you can ask me, you can discuss it with me. Right? Exercise 3.3, question 3 and 6 is your homework for today. It's containing how many marks? It's containing 10 marks, 3, 4, or 5 for each. Okay? And you have to learn table from 7 till 16. So here, question number 10. Question number 10. Kindly in the participants, the students who have completed their work, completed question number 10 right now, raise your hand. Raise your hand if you have completed question number 10. Very good. Here Shanti is showing us. Shanti, 1 second. Let me show everyone that how to solve this question. 1 second. Okay. Now Shanti, keep your copies. Keep your copy on the screen. So Hema, very good bete. I can see your work. Very good. Yes. 1 second. No, not in this way. So Hema, can you show me your copy? Where is Suhema? 1 second. Where is Suhema? Yes. Yes. Here we can see Suhema's copy. Very good. Acha. What we have to do, Shanti? I told you in the start of the lecture, we have to remove the comma and we have to put the plus sign. Where are the plus sign? Okay. यहाँ पे we can see Suhema work excellent. Perfect. Date is mentioned, exercise, and question number 10 is mentioned. And answer is also correct, bete. Plus xy minus xy is cancelled. Minus yz plus yz is cancelled. And plus zx and minus zx is cancelled. So Hema, very good. So Hema, bete, can you please open the index page of yours? I have to just check out all the classwork and homework up till now. Okay, so here we can see Suhema's copy on the screen properly, students. Here we have done 3.1 question 1 to 3.1 question 3.4, then 3.3 yesterday work. Very good. Now show me midterm title page and chapter 3 title page. Show your pages to everybody. Okay, quickly. Okay, this is midterm title page. Now turn the page. Okay, and Alina Salman, wait 1 second. Let's just check out algebra chapter 3, 3.1 till 3.10. Very good. Here we can see. Very good. Next page. Yes, very good. It's perfect. Next page. Very good. Very good. That's great. Question number 3, and then question number 4. Question number 4. Perfect. Question number 4. And now show me yesterday work. Okay, Meeram, we are going to tally yesterday work together, so you can see it on the screen. Okay, let me check this work of Suhema. We can check it from this copy. Acha. Question number 1, we get the correct answer. This is the correct answer by Suhema. Question number 1, we get 15x minus 8y. Perfect. And question number 2, 2x square minus 4xy. Very good. It's also correct. Now the next one, 4a minus 4c and minus 2d. Thank you so much. All the answers are correct. Very good. So this is about Suhema's work. And who want to show me? Alina Salman. Alina Salman? Yes. Yes, Alina. Very good, Alina. अच्छा बेटे कटिंग इस तरह अच्छा it's okay. ठीक है. Very good. We get the correct answer by Alina. Alina, start the next one. Alina, start the next one question, bete. Shabash. Very good. Acha. Here Anshara, we can see the copy work of Anshara as well. Anshara, what answer we get? I can't see, bete. It's blurred. 1 second. Just adjust your copy properly, bete. Adjust your copy properly. It's not visible. You have completed your work. Yes, but I can't see it properly. Once again. Ushna, bete, please turn on your cameras, everybody. Hafsa, everybody on. You have completed this question. Question number, I'm talking about question number 13. Question number 13, have you completed this question, bete? Jaldi, quickly. Show it to me. After question number 10, you have to solve question 13. Everybody, Ishal, Nabil, please turn on your cameras. Bete, start the video. Please turn on your camera. Ishal, I'm requesting you to turn on your camera. Alina Salman. Yes, Alina, show me your work, Bete. Alina Salman. Yes, Alina. Show me your work. Alina Salman. Alina, you're not showing us your work, Vijay. Okay, Miriam wants. Miriam. Yes. So, Miriam, you are completing the next question. I want question number 13 answer, please. Show me question number 13 answer. Quickly. Arrange the variable quickly. Yes. Yes, 3m square. Then 3m square and then minus m square. Arrange the same variables together quickly. We don't have that much time. Hurry up. So, Hema, have you completed this question? Hania Rahim, have you completed question 13? No? Achha, just complete it quickly. Hania Rahim, have you completed the question? Okay, Hania Rahim, you are completing this question. Okay? You have arranged the variables. You are arranging the same variables. Okay, so Hema, I get your answer. Okay, I get your answer. Okay. Anybody is there? Anybody who has completed? Acha, Sen. Okay, I'm just going to check out your work. Okay, 1 second. Rema, you want to check out question number 3 of 3.1. Okay. 1 second. Ishal Nabil, please turn on your camera, please. Okay, here 1 second. Hadika. Okay, Hadika has completed. Hadika, bete, very good. Here we get 3m minus m square, then minus 4m, and I get the first answer of question 10 by Suhaima and this answer by Hadika. Thank you so much, Hadika. Minus 4mn plus mn and then minus n square plus n square. Very good, neat and clean work, neat and clean handwriting. Very good, Vijay. And then we get the answer 3 minus 1, 2m square and minus 4 plus 3 minus 3mn. Very good. Very good. Acha. Hadika, can you show me 3.1 question number 3? 3.1 question number 3. One student was asking me through the chat box, kindly show this question to us. Question number 3. Okay. Here we can see question number 3 of exercise 3.1. Everybody here, the students who want to check out her work of this question, please, here you can see on the screen. Okay? Thank you so much. Next student, Ishal Nabil, please turn on your camera, bete. Ishal Nabil, I want to check out your work right now. Okay? Yes. Yes, Ishal. Okay, Ishal, now it's your turn. Ishal, yes, very good. You have done it correctly. अच्छा देखिए, one more thing students, यहाँ पे कितने अच्छे से उन्होंने मेरी बात सुनी थी. I just give you the suggestion कि if you are having the question, आप उस पे tick कर सकते हैं कि you have copied all the terms, yes or no. So you can make small tick with the pencil and after solving the question, you can remove it. Okay, so here she has given me the correct answer. She has solved the correct, she has solved both the question correctly. Very good. Now next turn is Sameen Rafi. Sameen Rafi. Sameen Rafi, very good. But in now, very good. Now in last 3 minutes, I want the last question. That is question number 14. I just want to check out that who is going to show me this last question. Okay, very good. Sameen, you have done your work correctly. Can you show me the last question, 3.3 question 148 also? 148 also? Question 148. Perfect. Shabash. Excellent. Okay. So here I want some more student. Now, where is Zen? Zen, Rehma, bete, turn on your camera right now. Only last 2 minutes are left. Please turn on your cameras. What happened, bete? Mir Abban, Sayyada Iman, turn on your cameras. This is not the correct. Marusha, this is not the way. Soha, everybody. Okay, Zainul Abidin. Zen?
Yes, miss.
Yes, bete. Now it's your turn. Please show me today's work. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay, here we can see question number 14. ठीक है? Where is question 14? अच्छा बेटे 1 second Zain, आपने equal to के साइन नहीं बनाए हैं, ठीक है? Have you checked Suhaima's work on the screen? You have to put equal to sign whenever you are starting.
Okay.
ठीक है, चलिए. अच्छा, question number 14 is on the screen.
Okay.
Question number 14 here, students. Check out question number 14. Is it correct? Question number 14. 1 second. Question number 14. Bete, -4. It's question number 14 is not correct. Bete, question number 14 is incorrect. I want your both questions are correct, but not question number 14. Okay? I want any other student. 1 second. Here we can see the copy work of Miriam. Miriam, question number 14. Okay. Okay. Here, clear work is there in the Suhaima's copy. 5x square y minus 9y x square y minus x square y. Okay, these are same terms, so we get